This is dangerous, man. And hell, that was grease, man. That was grease. Holy, look at all over the road. Oh my God. I just saved that, guys. That is how easy shit can happen. I just saved my ass like a bastard. I couldn't lean it. It's all over my shoes, got grease all over the bike. That's how easily it's done, guys. This road is notorious for it, so I was just taking it easy. Boots, I got it all over it. This is dangerous, man. So I've come in around here. You can see my mark. Look at my mark on my tyre on the outside. You can even see where I straight lined it. I love tapped the railing. I've come through here. I've hit that grease. I think that's my mark as I'm picking it up. Look at that, I'm straightening it up. Hit the grease. Look at my massive mark. Look at that. Grease all over the tyre. There's my foot. Slap the railing, slap the railing. This is why I tell you guys, you got to be careful, man. I got struck out on this road once before. That's why I was taking it super easy when I got to this section. And the bike, I was literally, you can see me through there. Look at that. Look at this line. Man, this road is as, look at that. Look at that. Look at that shit, man. Look at that. Dangerous, bro. They need to do something about this road. Look at my line. Look at my line the whole way, man. No matter how skilled you are not going to pull up on that. I was so lucky I saved that. I put my leg out. That's where I hit the railing. Oh no, that's a car. That's a car. Hit the railing from that. I come in, love tap twice on my boot. Look at that. Tucked my knee in and just let my foot take the impact. Try to wash off as much speed as I fucking could, man. I probably damaged my indicator on my bike. I'm glad that's all it was. I could have quite easily gone down. Man, that's a drop and a half. We're turning around, man.
We'll go up and turn around. Not turning here.
Nah.
Fuck, man. I'm not coming up this road ever again.
Nah.
Alright, I don't mind.
We'll do the lower section. We're not coming up here.
This, look at it. The asphalt is melted.
That's what you're dealing with, guys. And just watch out for cars, bro. This is what you're dealing with. That is all over my tyre.
What do you think I let you pass? Mine started doing it before that. That's why I went, something's not right. Don't tell me it's doing this shit again.
Man, what were you thinking when I straight lined it?
When you straight lined it, I'm thinking coming with you. Because I was right behind you and I'm seeing you slide and I'm thinking he's not going to pull it up. He's not going to pull it up.
Man.
He did. I was like, dude, way to go.
Man, dirt bikes.
Good save, man.
Dirt bikes saved my ass. Dirt bikes saved my ass. The R3 was a complete slide.
Yeah,
I had nothing left.
It'll actually have that on the camera. Because I have the camera on.
I don't know what it's going to look like on footage, but I'm telling you now, the R3 was a complete slide. I had no front left.
Yeah.
It's... You thought I was gone, didn't you?
I'm thinking, hell, he's not pulling it up.
I had no brakes left, dude. None. Look at my mark.
Yeah,
you can see my mark. Slow down, bro.
Fuck, this is slippery.
It's slippery.
I need to tuck under further up.
Yeah.
I thought I had a flat tyre. Yeah.
I've come around the corner and I've backed right off because I've seen the shine on the road. I've backed off and my bike's just literally crossed up. I'm trail braking it into the corner, just trying to pull it up, slap the railing with my foot.
Oh, you hit the rail.
Hit the rail and I've got a scratch.
I thought he was going to go over. Yeah. He's put a big scrape down the side of his bike.
But, oh look, yeah, I'm fine.
Somewhere around here.
That's me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to wash off speed with no grip. I was like riding on ice, dude. So.
The further you go up, I went nearly to the top, and it's really quite crook up there, and I thought, nah, turn around, get back onto the Eastern Road.
Yeah, when you
Like,
were coming down, I'm thinking, fuck man.
Yeah, I'm just like, I don't know if you've hit any.
Come around like dirt bike.
Shit, and this thing doesn't go hard.
I thought maybe my tyre feels a little bit shitty again. Yeah. And I'm like looking down and he's gone past. I'm like, okay, I'll go with him again.
Yeah.
He's locked up here and I'm thinking,
I didn't even lock up, dude. Mine was just sliding. It was just in a slide.
that's a full lockup.
That's not a lockup, man. That's tar. Go and touch it. It's sticky.
Yeah.
It's actually not a lockup, man. That was the edge of my tyre just sliding down the road.
Yeah, unreal.
No, so long as you're alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You just take it easy going down there.
Like,
That's the way to go, right? Good pull up.
so he thought that I'd locked it up. He thought this was my lockup mark. I said, man, that's tar. Look at it. It is actually reflective.
You can see the tyre.
We were just speaking to the gentleman. He had been up further and he said, man, it's so sketchy up higher. This road, I don't know why, it just melts. It just melts in our warm conditions. Now I've got to get that shit off the tyre. We had this issue last time we came up here. This is why everyone was asking me, yo DS, where's that road? Where's that road, man? If you're a beginner rider, you're not coming up here, man. I'm not telling you where it is. It's too dangerous for you. If it wasn't for riding dirt bikes, I probably wouldn't have saved that. It's for the fact that I've ridden dirt bikes and used to having them step out and slide and control the slide that I saved that. Very... Just testing the brakes again. Got to get this shit off my tyres. So lucky, man. I knew. I entered that corner and I knew, and I wasn't even going that fast. Like, if I romped on the speed and was having a bit of fun, I would have just thrown it down, straight down the road. No ABS was going to save you from that. No ABS is going to save you. So my R3's got a battle scar. I still haven't thrown it down the road. I had nothing, and what I did is I could have got target fixation. I could have looked at that railing and just straight lined it into the railing. I just kept looking through the corner. I don't know where the helmet was facing, but my eyes were actually still continuing to look around the corner. So I tried to wash off as much speed as I could, and not going up that road anymore, man. It's just it is too fucking dangerous going up there in summer. Like, the amount of riders I know that have mentioned that road and on how close calls I've had on that road. like, it's risky, man. And I wasn't even pushing, bro. And that's the scary part, man. It happens, man. It happens. You just got to be aware of it. I don't really want to be trail braking or anything because I've still got that shit on my tyres. And I definitely do not want to wash out the front going down here because it's straight to the bloody embankment. Front's twitching and moving and twitching and moving. Hope you don't throw your R1s down the road, bro. I'm fucking serious, man. Literally all I can smell is that tar, man. It's probably all over the bike. I'm starting to slowly get the grip back. Slowly getting the grip back. But if I don't tell you where a road is, it's for a fucking particular reason, man. Because I think it's either sketch or, you know, the guys who are asking me just shouldn't really know where it is. Because last year, I think it was, I had the exact same issue, but it was earlier, it was further down. Then you got higher up and it got better, right? That was higher up and it was, I saw the shine in the road, so I backed off. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to throw it into this corner. I don't really know what's around the bloody thing, and it's really, really shiny. Like super shiny. And sure enough, I started to tip her in, and as much as what I was pushing on the handlebars, the wheel just kept going, and I'm like, oh crap, man, like I've got no traction whatsoever. The bike's just in a complete slide. I'm literally drifting right now. What it felt like was my tires had melted, completely melted away to nothing. That is what it felt like. So picture scrubbing in tires 200 times worse than that. Like, I've hit black ice before and it's pretty much the same as that. Hitting black ice, the bike just slides. It just slides, man. So yeah, this lower part, fantastic. Turn around, go back. This section here is good. You can go through this section, you'll be fine. But leading up to that, no way, man. No way in hell. So what's the damage on Hayley, you ask? She's copped a battle scar. That's her battle scar. Unfortunately, that's not gonna polish out. But couldn't have done anything, man. There is nothing I could have done in that situation that I'd already done. Nothing. The indicator's been popped out, so I'm gonna have to. Let's pop back in. Very, very lucky. He was so shocked that I even pulled it up. He didn't think I was going to be able to do it, but I'm like, nah. Had faith in myself. That's all I needed.
Bad, real.
It's not that bad. Look, if I...
Sticker's probably worth about $80.
Well, it's not much I can do.
It's not on the paint, though, is it? Or is it gone like that?
It's gone. Hit the paint and scratched it, but man, I saved it. That's the main thing. She hasn't gone down the road, she's just slapped a fucking barrier.